Hey guys, if you're unable to drag video footage to your Adobe Premiere timeline, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the first thing we're going to do is launch up Adobe Premiere Pro, and we're going to import our video footage by coming over to File, come down to Import, and then select the video footage that we're trying to add to the timeline. I'm just going to select this video here. So that's going to upload the video to this project inside of this small window down here. And from here, you can try dragging the video footage over to the timeline. Now, if you still can't get it across, then what we need to do is right click on the video footage, come down to New Sequence from Clip, and that's going to go ahead and add the video footage to this separate sequence. So if you wanted to add this media footage to the main timeline inside of here, then we can just hold down on this video footage, drag all the way across to this one, and then move that inside of here like so. If that's still not working for you, another thing we can do is toggle the track targeting off. And to do this, you just need to uncheck these blue boxes all the way down like so. So I'm going to get rid of all these blue boxes, and then once again you can try dragging your video footage to the timeline. And then finally, if that still hasn't fixed the issue for you, what you can do is come up to this top navigation and select Window, come all the way up to the top and hover over Workspaces, and then we can scroll down and select Reset to Saved Layout, and that's just going to reset all of your Adobe layout like so. So let me just close this panel, and then once again you can try dragging your video footage over to the timeline. And that's it guys. By following all of the steps in this video, that should have now solved the issue. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.